Welcome to LIBA, Loyola Institute of Business Administration. This is a Jesuit business school. It's not a normal business school. There's a difference. The difference is that we promote Jesuit values, Ignatian values. Our founder of the Society of Jesus, St. Ignatius of Loyola, insisted on some core values. Two values which are very important in LIBA: Magis and ethics. Magis. Magis means excellence. Doing everything in an excellent way. More and more are better and better. Mediocrity doesn't have place in Jesuit Business School. We want to achieve everything in an excellent way. Excellence means in the ways our students learn, in the ways our teachers teach. What is that excellence means? For me, that excellence is how our students are formed, not learning. We don't focus on learning, but formation of character. Every course, every session must have an assurance of learning that directs to formation of one's own character. That is formed into a person who is competent, committed, and compassionate. Because every student who graduates from LIBA goes out into the world not focusing on profit alone, but that he is conscious of the people suffering, that he is conscious of the people of the bottom of the pyramid, the marginalized, the rural, the first generation learner. That he goes out while he is making profit, is also is conscious of how he needs to contribute to the development of the society. We want our graduates to go out and solve social problems. And that solving the problems contributes to the development of the society, particularly the marginalized people, Dalits, tribals, women, children, migrants, refugees. If our business education does not contribute to this people, I don't think we need to run Jesuit Business School. Therefore, LIBA students are different in this way because they focus on excellence and they are conscious of values of St. Ignatius of Loyola. That is why this is a business school. We run so many centers, particularly C.K. Prahlad Center, our own world student, C.K. Prahlad, who is the author and guru of management. He wrote the book Bottom of the Pyramid. That actually is the consciousness of LIBA. We are going to grow into the new building is going to come up, 60, 70 crore building, where we will envision a future for LIBA after 40 years, that we will branch into different areas. The future is technology. Therefore, we will move into analytics, and also we will focus on healthcare management. And particularly, we will also work on environment, green management, and similar courses. While we branch out, we will never lose sight of the original foundation, excellence and ethics. If you want to come to LIBA, we are not going to give you a degree, but we will give you a future. That future is going to be bright. That brightness means that you will be a responsible person, excellent person, committed and competent person. You will pursue in everything excellence with ethics, Magis, and you will always conscious of the bottom of the pyramid. Welcome to LIBA. We will show you a future. You will shape a future.